Invest time in learning and why it matters more than everything. So, hi everyone, this is Viren again, and today's video will be a bit off the track, and we will not talk about the cyber security or anything today. We'll talk about importance of the learning. So, why it matters most. So you will be faster, you will be smarter, and you will be more efficient. So to start with the video, before starting the video, I'll just yesterday there was a small incident happened. Like I have given a small task to my team uh, to tally the two different Excel. Okay, now of course they have started working. That was around 30 sorry 300 plus rows that we need to tally. So what I think they were doing, like probably due to some format issues or something. So they were trying to match up this thing manually. So basically they were doing manually. So they know that VLOOKUP will help them. Still they were trying this thing manually. Okay. Now around 4 o'clock, and I just spoke to them. What is the status? And they told me that this is the status, and they are still working on that. Then I asked them, just send me those two files. I'll work on that and I'll give it back to you. So what I've done, I just simply change the format of the columns and run the VLOOKUP. Then I got the result within 5 minutes. Okay. So here, what we learn from this particular incident. So though they were know, okay, if we use VLOOKUP, it will be very quick. So they don't know how to do. They know VLOOKUP will help, but they don't know how to do. So what they have done, they have start doing manually, rather investing time in learning the VLOOKUP. So probably if they try to learn, so they will probably take half an hour, to learn the VLOOKUP. I'm just hypothetically, I'm just saying. But what they have done, they have just start, working on that. So the point is, if they have invest 30 minutes in learning the VLOOKUP, they would have come up with the the final result probably within an hour. This is for the first time. Second time, they did not have to spend that much time. Second time, they might have they will be able to do this is at 5 or 10 minutes. So investing time in doing a work traditionally, invest time in learning. That is what important. So invest time in learning. So every skill you build, every book you read, every lesson you learn pushes you to one step ahead. Okay. So aaj jo ho, like today whatever you are, tomorrow you will be different than yesterday. Of course, if you learn. If you don't learn, you will be there forever. So learning is the only investment that always gives return. Now, okay, so what are the benefits? I'll just talk about the 5 6 benefit of the learning, which is which is you need to think on that. So learning keeps you relevant. So world is changing. If you are not upgrading yourself, you will be there forever. You will be missed out. And technology, industry, skill is everything is this is non-stop in the life. If you stop learning, you will be falling behind. But if you invest time in learning, you will stay updated, you will be stay competitive, you will be stay valuable. Understand? Simple word, learnings keep you future ready. Then the second point is learning unlock your new opportunity. So even though, so 3 or 4 years back, I got the interview call, or not 4 years back, I think 5 to 6 years back, I got the call for the interview from the fintech organization, and there they were using uh, 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 Oracle, big data, Hadoop, those kind of things, which was not, of course I am not from the development side, I am from the infra side, so that was not a cup of my tea. Still, what I have done, I have tried to learn that. Before joining the company, I have went through all these basics of the big data, Oracle basics. I bit upgrade myself in the Linux and everything, databases. So MySQL also I have a bit a very basic point of view I have done, so that helped me to manage the complete development team as well. For at least 2 years, I was managing the complete development team as well. So so what I'm trying to say is, learning will unlock a new opportunity. Every new skill you learn opens a new door. You will find a better job. You will get the promotion. It can be a side income, or it can be a new business idea, of course. So opportunity don't come by luck. They come when you skill match what the world needs. Understand? आपको जो आता है, अगर वही चीज़ उनको चाहिए, then we'll get the opportunity. Understand? Now learning builds confidence. Of course, जितना मुझे आता है उतना, मतलब of course my confidence will be high. Okay, if anything, like today any infra project, I'm always ready for that. Okay, whatever, like building up from the new data center, completely building up new core network setup, or anything. I'm always ready. So that build your confidence, uh, that reduce your fear. When you learn something new, your confidence grows, because you understand more, can do more, can solve more problems. Confidence is built, so not so confidence can be built, okay, not born. And that what it help to build is thought learning. Okay, so fourth point is learning improves the decision making. So jitna, it's like the better knowledge you can still choose the better. Okay, the bet will be better choices. So learning helps you to think clearly, analyze situation, and avoid mistakes. And smarter your mind, that wise your decision, of course. So बहुत सारी कंपनीज में कैसा होता है कि लाइक on the they invest crores in ITs, and in most of the fintech, the new startup, you will see they invest many like crores in IT, infrastructure development. They build up the new apps, they build up the portals for the clients, and they do many things. But if that effort is not comprehensive, not clear, and the decision behind overall all this thing is not properly chosen, so all things will be scrap in few years. And that happens with the many new startups. So of course, the smarter your mind, and the wise your decision will be. Learning changes your mindset, of course. Learning mindset makes you like curious, creative, open minded, and growth oriented. So basically, it's saying that I can't, and then you will start saying I can, right? And the sixth point is like learning makes you self dependent. So when you keep learning, you rely less on other, because you can solve your problem by on yourself. You can understand the new situations, you can adopt quickly. That learning gives you a freedom. So see this particular video, why am I making this video? I am just trying to encourage you to go and watch my videos. So if you try to understand, like, try to learn to read the CSCRF. I'm just, that was the one, this series will not, take, will not be much longer. But, if you try to, if you learn to understand the things, okay, you need to learn that, so that will help you in the future. So learning compounded, like, interest, it's a compounded interest. The compound interest, what it is. So more you learn, the more you can, learn faster. So aaj agar, so if you're learning something today, so tomorrow you will be more quicker, quick learner. Okay, so small daily improvements turn into the massive, long term result. And like, Buffett, one of Buffett says that the best investment you can make is in yourself. Okay, so try to do that. My Again, I'm requesting you to, go and, watch my, video about the CSCRF. I'm pretty sure that, you will find something new in each and every video. Okay, you will be able to understand the framework, you will be able to understand the structure of the. If someone has not seen any video, please go and, subscribe to my channel, and, go back to the previous video and watch my all the videos. Thanks very much. Thanks everyone. Thanks. Bye.